And say, ah.
Looking down a patient's throat isn't something Dr. Marjan Moghadam can typically do when she sees patients virtually. But she can do that and more for the Flora family because they're using the brand new Henry Ford Virtual Exam Kit powered by TytoCare. The handheld device connects through your smartphone, then through MyChart. The attachments allow the doctor to check your heart, lungs, throat, ears, abdomen, skin, and temperature, making virtual exams for people of all ages that much better. Take your kid's earache.
You can't move, okay, honey?
Okay.
We are able to see, is it red? Is there fluid in it? Is it an ear infection versus is it a wax buildup?
One device can be used on the whole family, and you can use it on yourself.
We can then say, hey, are you skipping a beat? Are we missing something? Is it a slow heart rate? Do we send him to the ER versus, okay, it's chest pain, automatically, gotta go to the ER.
Henry Ford is averaging about 6,000 video visits a week so far this year. They're here to stay, even post-pandemic. The latest technology will give Henry Ford patients the most valuable experience possible.
We're able to help patients a little bit to keep the cost of medicine down and also keep them from going to facilities that they don't really need to.
Henry Ford is the only health system in Eastern Michigan with the Tyto technology. There are multiple ways for team members to pay for a device. Go to One Henry and search Tyto, Tyto. The virtual exam kits cost $299. You can use your HSA, FSA, or credit card, or pay via payroll deduction. If you spread the payments out, they can be as small as $11.99 a month. For Henry Ford Health System News, I'm Dana J.